Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mute notification sounds on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate and tap the gear icon on your device. This will open up your settings menu where you can access all the configuration options for your Pixel 8 Pro. Once you're in the settings, you'll need to find the audio controls for your device. Now tap on sound and vibration. This section contains all the settings related to how your phone handles audio, including ringtones, media volume, and of course, notification sounds. This is where you can customize every aspect of your device's audio output. Inside the sound and vibration menu, you'll see an option labeled notification volume. Directly underneath this label, there's a slider that controls how loud your notification alerts will be. To completely mute your notifications, simply slide this control all the way to the left until it reaches the minimum position and becomes muted. This ensures that you won't hear any sound when notifications arrive on your device. Next, scroll down within this same menu until you find the notification option and tap on it. This will take you to a more detailed set of notification sound settings where you can customize exactly which sounds play for different types of alerts. In the notification settings, look for and tap on My Sounds. This section lets you choose from various sound options or select no sound at all for your notifications. Here you'll see different radio buttons representing various sound choices. Tap the radio button next to None. This selection tells your Pixel 8 Pro that you don't want any audio to play when notifications come through. It's the most effective way to ensure complete silence from notification alerts. Finally, to confirm your changes, tap Save in the upper right corner of the screen. This action locks in your preferences and immediately applies them to your device. And that's it. Your Google Pixel 8 Pro will no longer play any sounds for incoming notifications, giving you a quieter, more peaceful experience with your device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.